Baba will be very happy.
Nice.
When he will try and test this one.
Really, yeah?
Very
Alhamdulillah.
nice. I like the bisella. I want one more.
Nice, Bobo. Alhamdulillah,
Baba will
everything
be
is under control, guys.
So happy. And Dini, I will be so proud of you.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dee. So for today's video, guys, we're going to make our Egyptian food. It's called bamia. This is a green peas, but it's fresh, guys. So from the first one, we're removing the green peas, and this is the shell of the green peas. And we are going to put also some carrot on it. Ashan, my husband want bisella for today. And we have our tomato paste here. So here we don't use really much the tomato paste. We are using all fresh here in Egypt. So after this, guys, we're going to cook our salsa. We called it salsa with the bisella and carrot and all the ingredients, guys. And come here. I'm going to show you our beef. We're going to show you our beef here. This is the beef. This is the beef, guys. We're going to cook it for at least 2 hours. And it's really amazing. It smells really good, guys. So we just put some carrot on it, tomato, onion, and all the ingredients, guys. 2 hours. We will just wait for 2 hours. It will be until it will be soft. We're going to make and we're going to cook our bisella, guys. Look at the shell of our bisella. It's very fresh, guys. I will open for you one. So here in Egypt, we usually eat more with the salsa. Salsa means with the tomato paste, guys. Unlike with us, we always eat with the soy sauce. Here, it's all with the tomato paste. And all are fresh. We really don't eat much frozen. Like in the other country, we are buying already one for the green peas. The one in the can or in the plastic. This is more healthier, guys. It's very fresh from the market. And everyone are really eating very nice green peas or bisella here in Egypt, guys. It's so delicious. The taste is really amazing, guys. And they really love, guys, to eat. You know, the Egyptian people, they love to eat. And beef here, it's very nice. The beef here in Egypt, it's so tasty, guys. This is my first time also to taste this kind of beef. In our country, I don't taste some kind of beef like that. So later, we're going to make our rice. We're going to fry the rice with some like sharia, they called. It's some kind of piece of noodles. Then you just fried it with the butter. And I will show you if I get some time to show you the making of the rice. And I will show also how it is the after cooking and my husband's reaction later, guys. So he's the one requesting this. Let's see later. And my father-in-law, guys, is coming today to eat with us. And I'm kind of little bit nervous because it is my first time also to make for him some kind of this food, Egyptian food. And I am really expecting something good that he's going to like my making food, my cooking expertise. So let's see, guys, later what will be the thing will happen. Inshallah, guys, my father-in-law, my husband will love the bisella that I will make for them. I'm searching, guys, for the YouTube how I will make this bisella to be more taste good, and I cannot really find it well in the YouTube. So if you're having a partner or husband Egyptian, guys, you can watch my video and learn from my video as well, inshallah. And I will teach you more in the coming videos. See ya, guys, in my next videos later. Bye! Bisella for today. I'm going to call my husband, guys, to try the bisella. Let's see what is his reaction. And he's going to call his father also. We're just waiting for him. Maybe just after a few minutes he will be here. We're just going to try our bisella and the rice. Let's see his reaction. Yo, Bobo! May mahal ko.
Bobo. Kumusta?
Mabuti. So, this is it.
Wow. It looks very nice.
Just try it.
From where you know this like this? It's very nice.
أيوة Bob, of course.
Rice والشعرية. This Egyptian 100%.
Yes. Sorry guys, I didn't get some time to make the video for the rice, but this is the rice. It has some kind of noodles. They call it sharia.
Let me try. Let me try.
Oh.
Wow.
How is it?
Nice. Nice.
Same as Egyptian cook?
It's much better.
Aywa.
Much better. Wow.
How about this?
Wow. Nice, Adidi.
Nice.
And
The
beef
beef?
also
It's soft.
very soft.
And I put for you a chili also.
Is this YouTube or is this what? I know you don't like the YouTube already. You said you're not understand Arabic. How did you know?
From my sister.
So I want you to try that.
This.
Very nice.
Chili.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Try.
See?
We have problem with the Egyptian food. I really need to eat Egyptian food.
I know, that's why I am making for Egyptian food. And
Yeah.
Baba. We call Baba.
Wow. Baba will be very happy
Nice.
when he will try and test this one.
Really, huh?
Very
Alhamdulillah.
nice. I like the bismillah. I want one more.
Nice, Bobo. Alhamdulillah,
Baba will
everything
be
is under control, guys.
So happy. And Dini, I will be so proud of you.
Like that, guys.
Nice, Habib Ali. Yeah, very nice.
Thank you.
Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan Kareem.
كل سنة وأنت طيب حبيبي and welcome.
Just call Baba now, yalla.
We will call.
Yeah.
Yes, we will come.
So, bye. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye. One last thing, everyone. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos. So, we're done making our lunch for today. We're going to take our dessert with some tea with this kunafa. Since it's Ramadan, guys, we love to eat kunafa in the Ramadan time. So, I made last time a cupcake with the kunafa and chocolate and pistachio, and one is just kunafa. One is kunafa with the cupcake, guys, and one is just a plain cupcake. It's so nice to spend your Ramadan in Egypt, everyone. So, I hope you visit Egypt. You must visit Egypt, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna enjoy here in Egypt. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye-bye.